Hi, this will give you a walkthrough of Jamlite's payroll processing platform. Each user that interfaces with the platform receives their own value. For the roles, you have individuals that access attendance logs only and individuals that can access the full gamut of payroll. With the payroll platform, on the setup, you start from payroll settings. This is where you configure the statutory deductions, your company bank information, and your payroll cycles. You have weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, or per year. You can also determine if you're calculating your payroll by the hours, days, or by task. You can also exclude weekends from being calculated in the payroll. Once that is set up, you then create your payroll departments. The payroll department is linked to a payroll cycle. Here, you can add your employees to the departments. You can also add tax exemptions. You can specify this person should deduct lunch from the lunch deduction from their pay. Tax exemptions are the statutory taxes, NIS, NHT, income tax, and so on. Once you've set up your departments and added your employees, then it's time to add the attendance logs. Attendance log can be added in one of three ways. You can either add attendance manually, you can upload or sync from an online attendance platform or from a file, or you can use the attendance device. Once an attendance device is added using an IP over the network, you can then sync or upload user information between the attendance device, which are generally biometric devices. Once an attendance information is added, once that's added, you can either add an out time, add an in time, plus or minus lunch, approve overtime, deny overtime, or delete. To process the payroll, you go to Run Payroll. Select the payroll cycle, choose a date. Here you can also edit the number of days worked directly. With that, it will auto-calculate the deductions, show the payments. You can also add more payments here, overtime, commission, which is based on if this person is a sale rep, special rate pay, if you want them for a particular date to get a different rate, holiday pay dates at different rates or multipliers. Once you determine all of that, you process the payroll, and you have the option to either print the pay slip or you can email it directly to the staff. If you have a long list of payroll, you can process all and then email all or print all, and that will do everything in batches. Once the payroll processing is complete, then it's time to pay your staff. You have two options. You can either directly pay with cash, or you can add your staff banking information and then pay via the bank. Staff banking information or deductions can be added as well. Select the bank, enter their bank code, branch code, the account type, and the account number. Once that is saved, you can then show your reports. A option report will show you bank the option for each and the total. You can then download the upload files. So currently Jamlite supports NCB, RTGS, E-Link, and ACH. With these files, you can directly upload using the bank upload feature, file upload feature in NCB, and pay your staff. For tax deductions, you also can do monthly SO1 at the end of each month, and this will show this is directly compatible with tax admin's website for direct upload. So it makes the process much easier to file your SO1 or your tax deductions. For monthly payroll deductions, you can configure monthly, weekly, daily, whichever payroll cycle, to have the deductions taken automatically from a pay. This has a number of configurations that can be done in any number of ways. If you wanted to calculate per hour, you can specify that as well. So the deduction will be based on the hours for the pay. You can apply it to the full hours, which includes if persons work overtime or it works part-time. So it will, for overtime, it will separate overtime and the general, and it will apply deduction to the entire hours. You can make a deduction also non-taxable. So on approval from tax admin for per se travel allowances or so on, which are non-taxable, then you can specify that that deduction is non-taxable. So Jamlite Payroll makes it much easier, very easy to process payroll in bulk and monitor your payroll expenses over time. The reports that are available, you have your default report, your monthly, SO1, yearly, all deductions report, and pay option report, which is a breakdown of pay options by staff, cash, or bank, or check. So that's the quick breakdown of the Jamlite Payroll and the capabilities of payroll for online banking, file upload, company banking information needs to be added, and also staff banking information needs to be added. So that's the complete breakdown of Jamlite Payroll.